When you look out at the world, you see the Buddha, when ordinary mind is Buddha mind. When you walk, the Buddha walks for you, when ordinary mind is Buddha mind. When you wash the dishes, you wash the Buddha, when ordinary mind is Buddha mind. And when you sit down, the Buddha also sits for you, when ordinary mind is Buddha mind. When you look out at this world, the Buddha also looks for you. The Buddha sees himself, because the Buddha is this world. So, when you look out at this world, the Buddha alone remains, only the Buddha seeing himself. Looking, walking, washing, sitting, there is only the Buddha experiencing himself, when ordinary mind is Buddha mind.